happy dog is a healthy, loved, and mentally stimulated dog. To support your pup's well-being, give it regular exercise, proper care, a balanced lifestyle, and plenty of attention. Even when you are away, toys, routines, and enrichment can help keep your dog active, confident, and emotionally fulfilled. Mental enrichment. Give your dog something to do while you're away to prevent boredom and bad behavior. Try puzzle toys, chew toys, treat trails, or an obstacle course. You can also hire a dog walker or ask someone to play with your pup while you're gone. Socialize your dog gradually to support its emotional well-being. Take it on walks, visit dog parks, arrange playdates, or let a trusted friend care for it occasionally. If your dog is cautious, introduce it to calm dogs one at a time. Train your dog to keep its mind active and strengthen your bond. Clear training also helps your dog understand expectations. If needed, ask a certified pet dog trainer for guidance. Provide your dog with clear structure and consistency. Give affection, but also set calm rules, reward good behavior, and keep routines steady so your dog understands what you expect. Stay calm and confident around your dog. Dogs can sense anxiety, so a steady attitude helps them feel safer and behave better. Build your dog's confidence by praising good behavior and new skills. Use a warm, encouraging tone so your dog clearly understands it is being rewarded. Physical care. Keep your pup active with regular exercise that matches its age, size, and energy level. Daily walks, fetch, tug-of-war, hide-and-seek, or agility activities can keep your dog both physically and mentally stimulated. For older dogs with stiff joints, gentle water activities can be a safer option, while small dogs may enjoy dog parks with separate areas for their size. Feed your dog a balanced diet based on its age, energy level, and health needs. Choose quality dog food and offer safe treats like carrots, pumpkin, green beans, sliced apples, oatmeal, or plain unsalted peanut butter. Schedule regular veterinary appointments to keep your dog healthy and catch problems early. During each visit, the vet can perform a full health check, update vaccinations, and give advice on dental care, ear cleaning, weight, diet, and overall hygiene. Puppies and senior dogs may need checkups every 6 months, while healthy adult dogs under 10 usually need a yearly visit. Ensure your dog's safety at all times with an ID tag, secure yard, shade, and fresh water. Keep your dog leashed outside, secured during car rides, and always supervise children around pets. Give your pup regular massages to reduce stress, ease joint discomfort, and help it relax. Gentle rubbing before or after activity can support comfort, especially for larger breeds prone to joint issues. And breed-specific tips. Brush, comb, and trim your golden retriever's coat regularly to keep it clean, healthy, and free from mats. Their thick fur can tangle easily and may trigger skin irritation if not cared for properly. Regular grooming also helps reduce shedding on furniture and keeps your golden comfortable in both hot and cold weather. Pay special attention to the tail and leg feathering, where knots often form. Give your pit bull at least 2 hours of attention each day. This loyal, high-energy breed needs quality time, exercise, and social interaction to stay happy and avoid boredom. Activities like running, swimming, fetch, or frisbee are great ways to keep it active, while time with family, friends, and safe new people can help support good social behavior. Keep your Chihuahua warm in cold or wet weather, since small breeds can struggle to regulate their body temperature and have little natural insulation. Let it cuddle on your lap for warmth, and use a sweater or blanket when going outside to help prevent shivering. Give your terrier plenty of safe toys to stay entertained, especially when it is left alone. Terriers are independent, but they still need regular exercise and mental stimulation. Without something to do, they may start digging or acting destructively. Playtime with other dogs can also help socialize your terrier and keep it happy. Thanks for watching.